Big breakout alert. NUBURU is making headlines and the market is taking notice. Shares of BURU have been ripping higher on a string of strategic moves, and today we're breaking down exactly why investors are excited. If you love transformational turnaround stories and breakthrough tech, stay tuned. This could be the start of a whole new chapter for NUBURU. NUBURU is a pioneer in high-powered blue laser technology. The company developed industrial and defense-grade blue lasers that unlock new capabilities across manufacturing, security, and military systems. Over the last year, NUBURU has repositioned itself from a niche laser hardware company into a fast-moving defense and security tech hub. Management has been laser-focused on growth, M&A, and product applications that tap massive markets. That's caught the attention of traders, institutions, and partners alike. There are three reasons headlines driving this. First, NUBURU announced a binding deal to acquire Sorel, an Italian resilience software firm. That acquisition expands NUBURU's footprint into operational resilience and software solutions for defense and security. A major strategic complement to its blue laser hardware. Investors love when tech and software align. It creates recurring revenue avenues and full-stack solutions that customers value. Second, the stock exploded after a major $5 million contract win and partnership news that sent shares surging 26.8% in one session. That deal underlines that NUBURU's products and services are market-leading and in demand. Third, NUBURU closed a $12 million public offer to accelerate defense expansion and acquisition. That capital gives the company fuel to execute its M&A, a strategy to scale operations quickly. Put simply, strategic acquisition, real contract wins, and fresh growth capital all arrive at once. There are powerful NUBURU company-specific growth drivers. The defense and security technologies like directed energy, electronic warfare, and resilient communications. NUBURU's blue lasers are uniquely positioned in those ecosystems. Combine that with a deliberate M&A, a playbook, buying complementary software assets like Orbit, and you get a company that can sell full solutions rather than single components. Capital raises and public offerings provide the resources for rapid scaling. Strategic partnerships, joint ventures, and new commercial contracts are accelerating product deployment and revenue pathways. Analysts and market watchers are flagging NUBURU as a company making the right moves to capture a slice of very large defense budgets and industrial applications. The market outlook is bright for companies that can move prototype and payload ready at speed. NUBURU is doing exactly that. Why are investors so fired up? First, momentum matters. When BURU posts consecutive operational wins and follows with acquisition moves, it demonstrates execution. Second, the combination of blue laser hardware, software from Orbit, and fresh funding positions NUBURU as an integrated solutions provider. A higher value business model. Third, the defense and security sector favors suppliers who can deliver cutting-edge tech with operational resilience. NUBURU is layering both technology and services. For long-term upside, imagine NUBURU landing recurring software contracts while selling lasers and systems integration services. Margins and visibility improve. Imagine multiple acquisitions that stitch together a defense-focused platform. That's the long-term story many investors are buying into. With each new contract and strategic closing, confidence grows that NUBURU can keep rising as execution compounds. This is an exciting moment for NUBURU. The Orbit acquisition, the $5 million deal, and the $12 million all point to a company accelerating into a new phase. If you're watching breakthrough tech and defense plays, NUBURU's transformation is one to follow closely. Hit subscribe for updates, smash that like button if you want regular deep dives on hot growth stories, and ring the bell so you can stay tuned. We'll be tracking contract announcements, integration progress, and any new acquisitions as they happen. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.